Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share with you a long-awaited updated hand and nail care routine, but in this one I'm going to shorten my nails, actually measure them as well on forehand. As you can see here, a lot of people were really curious to know how long my natural nails actually were before I was going to shorten them, so that is why I also included that in this video. So most of my nails were about 2.5 centimeters. My thumbnail was a little bit longer than that, but most of them were 2.5 centimeters. My pinky was a little bit shorter as well. That one was 2.1 centimeters. So yeah, I'm going to measure them at the end after I've shortened them as well, just to show you how much I actually removed or cut off, filed off. But first up, I'm going to remove the design that was still on there. And I'm going to do so by cutting up some cotton rounds, soak them in some nail polish remover and just secure them with my little soaking clips. These clips, I get a lot of questions about them. I just got them at AliExpress, or at least my husband bought me this black set, but I've got a couple of pink sets as well. They are about $1 for 10 pieces and they're really convenient. So you just want to leave that on for about 5 minutes. You really don't need to soak that long, and then you can just wiggle the little piece of the cotton round off of your finger, and always remember to remove underneath the nail as well. Just make sure there isn't any nail polish residue or anything like that underneath that. You want to make sure that your nails are completely clean before you go in with your whole hand and nail routine, just to make sure that all of the products that we are going to use, such as the cuticle oil and the hand cream, can soak in underneath the nail as well and just really do its job on your cuticles and the skin around the nails. You don't want any nail polish left on there, trust me. So just wiggle off the nail polish, just go back and forth or to the sides. It totally depends on what your personal preference is, and that way you don't have any residue on the skin next to your nails as well, and you don't need any extra cotton rounds or cotton pads or anything like that to actually clean off any leftover nail polish. So that's just a little tip I wanted to share with you guys. I know my nails are stained. That is because I wear a lot of nail polishes. It's not like I have a medical issue or anything like that. Natural nails can just get really stained by super dark polishes, like reds, dark blues, blacks, all that jazz. So that's just something I really wanted to put out there. On my last video a year ago, I got a lot of comments of people saying that I was disgusting and all those things. I'm one of the most clean persons, people I actually know. I disinfect so much because I also work on other people. So stained natural nails are nothing to be scared of. It's totally normal, especially if you're like me and you wear so many nail polishes. Sometimes colors are just too opaque and too strong, and they will soak through the best base coats as well. So yeah, it's not like I don't wear base coats or anything like that. You guys know me, especially if you follow me for a longer time, you know that I do my best to prevent my nails from staining even further. So yeah, I already shortened my thumb, as you saw here. I wanted to keep them a little bit longer than the nails I have on my right hand, because I had to shorten those quite a lot because the middle fingernail just snapped. The tip just had a huge breakage in there. So I'm just going to keep them a little longer and also cutting them a little less tip off, if you know what I mean, because I am going to file the edge round off the corners a little bit, so I actually won't stab or scratch anyone by accident. So I always just use a regular nail clipper. Some people really don't like that. You could also just file it completely, but because I wanted to take off quite a lot, I just decided to cut off most of it and just file off the rest. So I just kept my nails to about 2 centimeters. Some nails will be 2.1 or 2.2, but I feel like this length is just really beautiful, and I just really wanted to keep a lot of my length. I didn't want to go cold turkey and go super short on all of them, because for my Asia trip I will be shortening them again, so I didn't want to have a long period of time where I didn't have any long nails, you know. I love my long natural nails, so I needed them. So I'm just going to take off my rings, and as you saw, I already like got rid of any dust or oils like that with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going in with the hand and nail care, like the real routine, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to use a really neat cuticle oil. This one is by Madam Glam. It's called the Elixir Nail and Cuticle Oil. This one only has 3 natural ingredients, which are vitamin B and E and jojoba oil. I really recommend this one. I got sent this one for free just to try it out, but I actually really love it. You see me using this in a lot of my gel polish videos as well, because after every new like manicure with gel polish, I always apply a little bit of cuticle oil, and I just love this one so much. It smells pretty neat as well. It doesn't have a super strong overpowering scent or anything like that, but it just smells fresh. So yeah, I just put that on the cuticles, on the skin around, and underneath the nail as well. I feel like that really helps my nails to become strong but still flexible. Then I'm going in with my hand cream, and this is another product I just started using for like half a year. This one is by Dr. Organic. It's the hemp oil hand cream. It's really thick, so you only need like a pea-sized dot of it and you're good to go for both hands. As you can see here, it does give a white cast. That's just because it's so thick, but it actually settles into the skin after about 5 to 10 minutes. Like this hand and nail care routine, including the shortening, is something I don't do every day or every week. I think I shorten my nails like 2, maybe 3 times a year. And the hand cream and the cuticle oil is like once every 3 days. It really depends. Sometimes I do it more often, sometimes I don't have enough time. I tend to use cuticle oil on a daily basis, but you know, life gets in the way and you don't have time, or you forget, or you don't brought it with you. You know how it works. But after the cuticle oil and the hand cream have been on for about 10 minutes, I'm going to push back my cuticles. You could use a orange wood stick or anything like that, or a cuticle pusher, but I prefer to just push them back with my own natural nail. My nails are strong enough to do so, and I feel like it's a really soft method to do so compared to actually using a metal cuticle pusher or something. But an orange wood stick is really soft to do so as well. After all of the oils and creams have been on my nails for about an hour, I'd say, just take your time with this. It's like a pampering session, you know, a little bit of me time. I just gave my hands and nails just a quick wash with some lukewarm water and a little bit of soap. You could add some body scrub as well into the mix if you want to. I didn't do so for this particular video, but I did wash my hands in between to make sure there wasn't any oil left on the nails, because I'm already applying my base coat here, and I just wanted to put like a quick little simple easy fast manicure in this video as well, just like I did the last time, like a year ago. That is actually my most watched video. Like, can you believe that? I didn't even shorten my nails in that. It was just some quick tips and tricks on how I do my hand and nail care routine, and I was just really actually surprised that you guys wanted to see me do an updated version. So yeah, I just wanted to do it a little bit different. That's why I actually measured my nails and shortened them and showed you how I did that. But after your base coat is completely dry, you want to go in with your nail polish, like your preferenced nail polish. Oh, and sorry guys, my camera was kind of out of focus here, but it fixes itself quite fast. I'm going in with my favorite nail polish, like at the moment, I have to say. This is Pink Makes the Heart Grow Fonder by Catrice. As you can see, it is almost completely opaque in just one coat. I've talked about this polish so much. I've done a nail polish of the week video. I've used it in like 2 or 3 nail designs already, and I'm just so in love with this beautiful dusty rose color. I think it's beautiful for fall, but actually pretty wearable all year round. So you just want to apply your first layer, and of course always remember to cap off your edges and your sidewalls if you have longer nails like I do. That just makes sure that your manicure lasts a longer period of time without any chipping or any tip wear or something like that, and it just protects the nail a little bit more on the tip area, if you know what I mean. I'm also going to do an how to perfectly paint your nails video later, where I really go in depth on how to perfectly paint your nails without any like excess cleanup or something like that. But that's something that will be uploaded later. So I just applied 2 layers of the beautiful pink color and a layer of top coat as well. Of course, capping off the edges as usual. And that was already my updated hand and nail care routine, including measuring, shortening, and all that jazz. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. But I want to thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. And as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.